Hey everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for your outdoor space. The Rail EZ NextGen Umbrella Mounting System by BRANDREW Innovations. If you're looking for the best way to securely mount your patio umbrella or shade sail pole to your balcony or deck railing, look no further. Let's explore why this product stands out from the rest. This innovative mounting system is designed for convenience and reliability. It allows you to attach your umbrella or shade pole without any permanent installation, making it perfect for renters or anyone who wants flexibility in their outdoor setup. The Rail EZ NextGen boasts a sturdy build and a sleek, black finish that complements any outdoor decor. Now, let's talk about the features that make this product a standout choice. Firstly, it's incredibly easy to install, no tools required. Simply clamp it onto your railing, adjust, and tighten. It's that simple. The non-permanent bracket ensures a secure fit without damaging your railing, which is a big plus for maintaining your outdoor space. Here's how it works. You place the Rail EZ onto your railing, adjust the bracket to fit, and secure it in place using the tightening knobs. It holds umbrellas and shade poles of various sizes securely, giving you peace of mind even on windy days. One of the biggest benefits of the Rail EZ is its versatility. Whether you're enjoying a sunny day under a patio umbrella or looking for a shaded spot with a sail pole, this system ensures your setup stays in place. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, so you can easily move it around your outdoor space as needed. Now, let's briefly compare it to other mounting options out there. Unlike permanent fixtures that require drilling and are often costly to install, the Rail EZ offers the same stability without the hassle. It's designed for ease of use and durability, making it a top choice among outdoor enthusiasts. While I can't share specific customer reviews, the consensus is clear: users love the convenience and reliability of the Rail EZ. It's a game-changer for those who want to enjoy their outdoor space without the limitations of traditional mounting solutions. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-install umbrella mounting system that won't damage your railing, the Rail EZ NextGen by BRANDREW Innovations is a fantastic choice. Its robust design and user-friendly features make it a standout in its category. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or simply enjoying a quiet afternoon outdoors, this product ensures you're covered literally. That wraps up today's review on the Rail EZ NextGen Umbrella Mounting System. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.